Hello, amazing people. Thank you guys for joining me. In this particular video, I'm simply going to show you guys how to make a 4x4 closure braided wig. Okay, I'm going to guide you guys through how to do everything from the customization of the closure size to the ventilation to the braiding, everything. So I'm going to show you guys everything. If it sounds like something you'll be interested in, then stick with me to the end of this video, where I'm going to show you guys everything step by step. So these are the materials we need. We need our closure, we need our Swiss lace, we need our crochet pin, hair cream and scissors, um wig cap, our rattle comb. Of course, we need our extension. You can use any extension of your choice, any color of your choice, our comb, and of course our ventilation pin. So first thing I'm going to show you guys now is how to customize the 4x4 lace closure. In case you are not able to get the already customized one in the market, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So make sure you are getting a vertical line. Okay, that's how you place your Swiss lace, to get the size you want. But to make sure the place you are cutting, you are getting a vertical line. If not, you'll just waste that particular Swiss lace. So I'm making use of 4x4. Okay, the width is already 4 inches. I went ahead and measured out 4.5, which is between 4 and 5, which is for 4.5. 4.25, sorry. Okay, we are making use of 4. The half is just an extra layer that I added. Then the next thing I did was to use something to give. So the next thing I did was to mark a straight line. This straight line will enable me to cut it. Okay, when I'm trying to cut it, it won't be somehow, it will be very okay. So the white material added on the canvas head is for it to be very visible for you guys to see exactly what I am doing. So the next thing now is for us to place our Swiss lace on the canvas head. Okay, you can still use a mannequin head. So when you're placing this, make sure you're getting a vertical line, because you're venting through the vertical line depending on the pattern we are going to use. So I'm simply securing the lace, the closure now. Okay, our 4x4 closure on the canvas with a pin. So that is exactly how to secure it on your canvas or mannequin head. Then this is the hair part of the head I will be working with. So I go ahead and pick little from the hair, little by little, guys, so that you don't end up wasting your hair. Then you need to give it a very nice comb. Okay, to avoid any tangling. And this is how you fold. I folded it equally, okay, because I'm using this particular closure for braids. Yeah, using it to make a braided wig, not actually for wigging. Okay, so the next is to get my ventilation pin and to start venting. Then before I do that, I have to get my center pattern. So since it's 4x4, I just measure that to 2 inches. Okay, and use my pencil to indicate it. So that's our center pattern. Okay, then from there I'll just trace it down, and then of course trace it up. Okay, that is our center pattern. Now we have our center pattern, and of course we're going to be stopping where the 4 inches is. The extra quarter, like I said, is just an extra layer I added. Then we're going to be starting a line. Okay, we're going to be starting with a vertical line. I'm going to be picking 1 to 2 strands. Try as much as possible not to pick more than 2 strands. Okay, I'll be picking 1 to 2, and I'm trying as much as possible not to pick more than that. So when you're doing yours, do not pick more than 2. Okay, you can pick 1, perfect. You can pick 2, okay. So I skip a line and I vent on the next line. I skip a line and I vent on the next line. And then coming to the holes, I am skipping just a hole. So what it means is that I went on a hole and I skip the next hole. If you don't know how to count your holes, let me know in the comment section so I will be able to make a detailed video showing you guys how to count the holes and then how to count the lines. Okay, so this is me simply venting on a line, skipping a line, venting on a hole, skipping a hole. I'm skipping a line, meaning just one line and one hole, and this pattern of ventilation is the vertical horizontal pattern. Okay, that's what we are using for this pattern. Like I said, we're actually making a 4x4 closure braided wig. Okay, 4x4 braided wig, that's what we are making. So the next first thing we are going to need to do is to get our closure. Okay, we have to customize our closure, which is exactly what I'm trying to show you guys in this video, how I got the closure before we now move ahead to the braiding process. So guys, if you know you are finding any value from this video and you are yet to click that like button, go ahead and click the like button, comment. Okay, if you have any question, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. So all those that have been sharing my videos, liking, commenting, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. And if you want to see more of my tutorial videos, then you need to join the family by just clicking that subscribe button, and that does it. Okay, follow me so you don't miss any of my tutorial videos. So guys, when I'm done with the first side, I moved over to the second side. You see how full this closure is, even though it's for braiding, not really for wigging, but it's very full due to the pattern we use and the number of holes we skipped, which is just one. That's why it's full like this. So I'm not doing anything different, I'm just simply repeating the same process over and over again till I get to the end of this closure. So I'm simply venting on a line. If you don't know how to count your lines and your holes, just like I said earlier, let me know in the comment section, okay, so I can make a detailed video on that. If there's any particular thing you're still finding difficult, or there's something you want me to make tutorial on, still let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will consider that. And please guys, do like, do share my videos, and then comment. Okay, join the family by subscribing. And then, so this is how it is when we are done. Okay, this is just the final product. So we are done with the closure making now. It's now left for us to go ahead and start secure our closure and in our recap, and then go ahead and start the braiding process. So I don't want this video to be longer than this, so I have to do it part by part. So this is part one of this video. In the part two, I'm going to show you guys how to secure your closure, your recap, and then how to start your braiding properly. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the second part of this video. Bye.